I hope you all are safe and handling COVID in the best way possible. And more than that, you all are like looking at market and learning more and more each and every day. Markets are definitely volatile, and it can be visible by the kind of move that we have seen today. So today market opened higher, open was the high, and then we seen a good amount of sell off, and on the daily frame we can even see that market during the closing had given a good move as well. Now coming on, why we inched higher from the same area, you can see this was the base area and this was the prior support zone, due to which we had seen a good amount of recovery in markets. Okay, so now that is number one. Number two, okay, so this is clear that 750, it is one of the best support for the market, looking at days ahead. And on the upside we may see some sort of sell pressure as long as market is trading below 15045. So 15045, or you can roughly say 15050, and on the downside 14750. This would be the range for the market as per today's move. And if we go on weekly frame, okay, so here we have to understand multiple things. Number one, market is trading in a very tight range. We see on weekly it's like a very small range in which the market is currently trading at. Okay, number two, if you can see the simple price action wise thing, if I can just brought it out. Okay, so here kindly note out one thing. Nifty didn't manage to close above the weekly this thing, the closing basis. You can see it's completely, from last 4 week we are unable to cross 15050 closing wise. So now all eyes are on Nifty for this week. If it managed to cross above this zone, it becomes a blind buy with stop loss, of course. So the moment Nifty crosses 15050, it would attempt a new lifetime high. There is no doubt about it, because all this particular selling, it will get absorbed and Nifty will inch higher. Of course, market can stay volatile, and life high doesn't mean it will just stay there forever. It may come down. Just if you can see today's move, market didn't stay long on the down move. They definitely came down and inched higher again during the closing. So stay open minded in terms of market, and we all learn daily, even I, and we all learn daily, and we should be open to criticism, as well as we should be open to what we can say, whatever we expect. It's not every time that market will follow the same thing. Market has its own move. We have to learn more, we have to adapt more, we have to understand more things, we have to add new things in our learning that will help us grow further. Now going ahead, so one thing is important, from both daily and weekly. 15050 on daily frame as well as on weekly frame, it's very important zone closing basis. Number two, on the downside, 14700 to 14750 area, it's a great base for Nifty as of now. So as long as Nifty is in this base 14700 750, it's a no brainer that it becomes a great support. So buying there, it would make much more sense. While on the higher side there is a great supply at 15050, unless and until we cross that, the sign, there's no sign that we may inch higher. So as long as it's below that, it's like a short on rally, unless and until 15050 we take a weekly closing. So that is one thing. Now monthly I won't take it now, we just go in hourly.